Hey, so we've been already talking with the homie James. I don't know why the light here is so dark. But yeah, I met this guy here in the meet. He got a sick M5. What's it called? So the way I met James is that he seen me putting a little flame thing on the Genesis for the green flames.
What was it? It was like some dragon or something.
Yeah, Dragon's Breath, yeah. So thanks for you. And yeah, we started being friends because of that. And then yeah, he got a Beamer, and then later I was like, yeah bro, I think I'm gonna get a Supra, and it's here. Yeah. Well yeah, we're here. Yeah. During the day, bro. Oh, the day it looks good. Yeah, bro. But so yeah, guys, we are going to ride out to this meet. The first spot got popped, so we're gonna go to the second spot right now. It should be in at 10:30. We got about an hour. We'll see when we get there, see if there's still cars there. Put it in sport mode because I don't like when it turns off. Oh damn, that looks horrible. Who's this guy? Yo, we out here with Christian. Come on, bro, you know how to park? Hey, so I did a roll with him a while back with my Gen, and nah, he didn't get gapped. Off the hit, it was pretty good. As soon as I banked third, he started pulling away. So then, hey bro, I'm gonna steal them welds. I'm putting on this one. But yeah, I just told him, I was like, I'm gonna race you again whenever I get a new car. So now I'm gonna race some stock, and then in the summer when the shit, this one, bro.
Nah, this one.
Hey man, so we are here chilling with James M5 and the new Supra. I still don't have a name for this bitch. I don't know. Hey, I don't have a name for it, bro.
You don't have a name for it?
I don't.
I still don't have a name for my shit.
Man, these people going to Mexico. Got the fat ass welds in the back. You should park next to him. That's your boy right there. Yo, we follow each other on the gram, but we still haven't met, and I think he's a Bolivian too. Man, all the Chevy boys are leaving, going to Mexico probably. Oh dude, I think it was that blue. I think it was that blue. Little Hellcat. Give me 2 years. I'll start gapping Hellcats. Oh, like that. like the Instagram reels. Hell no. Bro, those Instagram reels, bro.
Bro, that shit's me funny. Finna head out.
Shit, we could dip now, bro. So yeah, we are gonna head out. A lot of cars left. There was cars here. Yeah, it's time for us to go, bro. Yeah. Supposedly cop said 30-day tow or some shit. So we're gonna head out.
Yeah, that cop said any fuckery, 30-day tow, no excuses.
Yeah, they fucking around. I got that. Fucking James, bro. But yeah, hey, I want some welds on my shit. It's only gonna be for looks. Nah, bro. Do it. One rev. They are going crazy, bro. So watch out we don't hit Christian's car. I'm gonna steal Christian's welds. Let's start this bitch. No mods. We stock boys. No cab racing. Yo, these guys are going insane. Christian said he's gonna go race a Tesla. It might be this one. I don't know. No, I don't think it's that one. Definitely not that one. But he said try and record, so we're gonna try and record. People are going crazy. Alright, we're gonna see how we do right now, trying to help them record. Oh, I already hit the little whistle on the turbo.